I swear to God, I did this deal with Sephora, and then I got some money, and then I got new titties, and I got new nose.
Can you help me promote this day so I can come back a different bitch? You're not gonna recognize me. I'm for real gonna transform into a Kattan sister. Let's go.
I'm like definitely your auntie. I'm like 13 years older. I hear you.
Oh,
I hear the rock.
Yes.
Hey, beautiful people.
Oh shit. Is that what you want? Ratchet the whole time. Get ready. I'm sorry to your ears, boy.
We are turning Liza into Liza, Leila.
Sure, I'll take that
Kattan
one.
Koshi.
Liza, Leila, Kattan
Kattan Koshi. Yes, that's what's happening.
Okay.
So I can't believe she's in Dubai, guys, and she decided to like touch down in our offices. I can't even believe she's here.
We've been screaming the entire time.
I can't believe
like
you're
this
here.
is just like two ethnic folks
brown, yes,
coming together,
brown.
family reunion.
Yes. This is what you normally do.
This is what I normally do.
And you're beautiful.
Oh my God.
So
Butts.
cute. No, no butts. But maybe later we'll have some butts.
Yeah. Oh damn, that was a nice transition right there. Oh. Cut back to later.
I watch your channel a lot. And all your episodes. Every new episode, make sure you guys check it out. It's hilarious. I actually ran into Liza at BeautyCon.
Yo.
I'm sorry. You don't understand. I'm obsessed with you.
And she was telling me about this collaboration that she has called C'est Moi. C'est Moi is a nice, it means something nice too.
It's someone. It means it's me. It's me, baby.
Do you speak French?
Allll coucher avec quoi ce soir. That's from a song. It's Christina Aguilera's verse in Moulin Rouge. I can sing like a church song in my dad's native tongue, but I don't want to sing it because I got a church voice, which means it only sounds good when everybody else is singing. Oh, that was pretty. I'm sorry, what?
Do you do it? She can do everything. She can do everything. Okay, so I'm gonna turn her into a Kattan. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Don't make a face.
Okay.
No faces.
That's really hard for me to do. That's my career, girl. Sorry.
So we're gonna thicken the brows. We're gonna give you kind of like Middle Eastern. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yo, I've been trying to grow these puppies. I have tried everything. I tried putting Rogaine on my eyebrows at one point in my life.
Did it work?
It did.
No.
Did it work?
No.
No, girl, it did not work. So funny. That's why you gotta draw them on today. I once like hit my face like in the middle of a meeting, and I take meetings. No, but I was in a meeting and I hit my face, and part of my eyebrow wiped away. Yeah.
No.
And so then
Wait,
I
is that
saw
how
a
you put those
pen.
videos?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
They're all based on a true story.
When you do that thing when you like ran into the wall and then your brows were on the wall.
That's because that actually happened.
It
to
was.
me. In high school, like I was doing my like eyebrows on a mirror, and I hit the mirror while like getting ready for like a football game or something. Wow, that's Texas as hell. And I like printed my eyebrows on the mirror, and I thought it was the funniest thing.
So all of your videos like are inspired. That's why you have so much funny content. That makes so much sense.
You know, when changing and like putting on a white shirt's the most stressful anxiety and do something.
Oh my God.
Yeah, what? All my white shirts have the little like rim of like my face.
We got
on
tricks. You gotta do this.
Do the lips.
Yeah. You gotta do lips and you gotta
Go,
do this with the face. You need a team of people to hold up
really do.
every single corner, and then you put your head through like you're
I know it's like a
born.
small birth, and then everybody cheers afterwards. Like, you did it! We did it!
But look at the difference in the brow right here already. Do you see it? I barely did anything.
Wow.
We didn't do the Kattan brow yet.
Okay.
The Kattan brow is thick. You ready for this?
What is that? Go, hit it.
Do this.
I'll spread eagle
ready?
too.
You ready for
Yep.
this?
Have you ever transformed anybody into a Kattan sister
No,
before?
never.
This is an honor,
This
dude.
is the first time.
This is such an honor. This is gonna be hard though because y'all are gorgeous.
You're so fucking beautiful. You're naturally
That's
gorgeous.
what I was looking for. I got it.
You are naturally gorgeous. So we're gonna give you like a crazy contour. Because, you know, we Kattan sisters, like, things have come out of contour, we still fucking love our contour.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, we do.
You see this browner line on the center of my face, girl? You know I love that contour. I do not blend it on purpose. Like, I want you to know. Every photo I have, like on my Instagram, you'll see my theme. Every photo is like this.
What with the jaw?
The chin comes out just a tiny bit more
You're so
to get that cut.
Wait, I have that trick too.
You do?
Yes.
What's the trick? Yeah, right. You like shove your.
I put my teeth under my other teeth.
What like
My under teeth under my upper teeth. And it works really well. Watch.
Yo.
It looks good.
Wait, hold on.
I got. Yeah! Oh my God!
Hey,
Are we the only weirdos who do this?
She looks different than she does online. What do you mean?
I actually love this color called Charisma. And I love that it's called Charisma because that makes so much sense.
Oh, hey, this is me.
No, but I love this color. It's so pretty. This is a color I would love to wear too. Okay.
You like that one?
I do. I like both of these colors. These are the colors that I would wear too. Like, I love these kind of colors. It's so pretty. My team is saying yes, they love it too. And you said these are really affordable, right?
Yo, straight up so affordable. They're at Target, which is I was like, that's like hook, line, and sinker for mama.
It's at Target?
Yeah, it's in CVS.
I love Target. I love Target. I love Target.
What was like the first beauty brand you ever saw, ever?
Revlon.
That was your way in. That's how
You
you
know
fell in
what's
love.
so funny? I actually started working for Revlon when I started as a makeup artist. I was their makeup artist for the Middle East.
Whoa.
Yeah, and they were like the first brand I ever bought too, and their first brand that ever like trusted me too.
Congratulations,
Thank
dude.
you.
I'm a little late, but like, you working with Revlon.
It was like 10 years ago.
Cool. You should start your own beauty
appreciate
brand.
it.
What are you using right now?
This is Brilliance. This is from your line.
Oh, wow.
Pressed powder foundation. I really like it actually for around the nose to snatch the nose. So we're like what we're doing is we're going right around the nose and we're just her nose is cute and tiny. But
so much.
we Kattan sisters always snatch our nose. Even though I got my nose did, I still snatch my nose.
I
snatch it. But because I did it, it gets like a little swollen sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, and I had a cold. I'm not contagious though.
Oh, okay.
I'm not contagious, I swear. I'm so good, I swear.
Let me get in your eye real quick. I'm probably contagious. I was on a 16-hour flight here with no mask, girl, living life on the edge.
No mask.
Everybody, like, I straight up went on the flight.
Everyone's
This man
like-
looked at me and went,
I'm terrified. When people sneeze on the plane, I'm like, move them away from me. It's so scary.
bang, boom, boom.
It's
Holy
so
water.
scary. Your skin is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Sema.
Yeah, it's really good. How long has Seymour been around for?
It's been around for, I don't even know, actually, with the birth. A little over a year.
Oh, it's new. Wait, it's vegan?
Girl, let me tell you something.
Wait.
It is vegan. It is all natural. It is cruelty free. It is EWG verified.
I like
I'll tell you
that.
And guess what, honey? It is still pigmented. Okay, well that wasn't a good swatch, but it is.
Well, that's just
pigmented.
because you're
I'll
brown.
tell
You
that.
gotta do the darker
Can I get a
one.
white arm? No, we're all brown. We're in Dubai. Never mind.
I'm keeping this stuff, right?
Yeah. Well.
Can I keep some?
No,
of
this is
Can I
all
keep
for
this?
you.
I really like
This
this.
and more is coming.
This I love.
I'm glad.
I love this. And how much is this?
These are all under
Can we
$10.
Google it real
And
quick?
right now there's a
You're
sale
Googling?
for the
Thank you so
holidays
much.
where everything's like 20%
Google
off.
it.
With code CHILL. You can use the code CHILL for 20% off the entire site.
She is PR trained, baby.
Code chill. Code chill.
Chill, baby.
Chill. CHILL. Just in case.
ILL.
I'm gonna just douse you in eyeliner
Okay,
right now.
do it. Do it all.
You have a lot of lip space. We could do so much with it. Yeah,
you
you're
got
gonna. Okay, ready? Why am I holding my breath? I'm gonna hold my breath too though. Oh, by the way, this liner does not come off.
I wasn't breathing, bitch.
I have to tell you, this liner does not come off.
It doesn't?
No, it does not.
Okay, cool.
We have to get her the wipes to make it come off. Wait, you're smiling.
Wow.
It's getting better.
Take this, transform it into this. Are those mustaches? Those look like the mustaches I use for Jess.
How old are you?
It keeps changing.
You can
My
keep them
character.
and use them as mustaches later.
I will. 10,000%.
Hold on, don't be alarmed.
Did I just transform into Leila Kattan?
You're 100% Leila Kattan.
Am I? I get Ducky from Land Before Time a lot. So much.
Do you really?
Yeah, look at me from the side. I look like a little dinosaur.
I see it. Do you?
No. Edit in like a picture of Ducky right here.
Okay, we're gonna do that.
It's the same person.
You're so funny. You smile so much. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna overline now. Very quickly. Transcend my favorite shade. Yeah, and then we're gonna mix it with the same wash.
Oh my god, our first collaboration.
I know.
Are these your lashes?
Yeah, those are called Hootie. They're my favorite. My nickname in the high school was Hootie Booty.
Did you have a little booty in high school?
I did have a little booty.
I didn't.
always had
Mine
a
was
little booty.
inverted. It was nasty. Okay, sorry.
Okay. Wait, is this a lip color too? Because this is so
It
pretty.
is. That's a lip color.
Oh, this is a lip gloss.
Oh, that's
This-
makeup crayon, but you can use it on any part of the face.
Can we? Okay, 'cause I really like
literally
this.
all their stuff. I've used like
And it's
this
vegan.
as like eyeshadow before.
That's amazing.
All of it.
But see, that's cool because you can make your own rules. So I'm gonna use this. This is actually called Visionary. Love the shade name. Love the shade
into the future.
Yeah. Just having a vision. So we're gonna do this right here in the middle. It's a little light, so we'll blend it out.
Okay, look like.
But we kind of like that. Like we do that a lot here.
Yo, I love
I'm
lip
mixing it
lined
with
lips
lipstick.
now with no lipstick.
Me
Is that
too.
weird?
No,
I'm
I
going,
love
like,
it.
Back to 90s.
I love it.
3 hours later.
Oh, you like that?
I really like this color. It's so pretty. I thought it was gonna be very pink, but it's so pretty.
No, it's light.
It's so pretty.
I'm so happy. That makes me so happy that you like it because you
So
You
pretty.
know what the hell you doing.
It's,
This is.
you look good like that. She looks good. You look like you're like from Set It Off. Did you ever see the movie Set It Off?
Yeah,
Right?
I look like I'm
Yeah.
gonna win a dance.
You
battle.
look good.
Let's go. Let's get this body.
Ooh, the hair. Okay, guys, there is a lot going on right now on set. Liza was just taken to the back by my amazing team, and she has transformed into Liza, Leila, Kattan Koshy. Is she coming out? Do I have to come right out? Wait, Mona and Nora also here. They're here to see if I did a good job. Yeah, come over here. But don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. Come over here. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay, we're ready. Perfect. We're ready, we're ready. I hear you. I hear the vlog.
Oh my god, you look so give mama her cup. Oh, I'm gonna take Please say this to my.
Go ahead, let's do it together, right?
so heavy.
This is vegan violence.
All this Chanel's weighing me down. Hold on. I am so excited. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so funny. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so funny. Oh my god. Stop. I literally could be your auntie. I literally could be your auntie. I give it to your grandma. I give it to your grandma.
What do you think? Does she look like us?
Yes.
Do I? Do we?
Oh my
We did
God.
it, right?
Sister.
We did it, girl. Yo.
I'm like loving this look on you.
I feel stunning. Can I be a part of this family?
You are part of this
Family.
family.
I am in.
Wait, we didn't bring the fake nails.
We didn't bring the fake nails.
The ones are like this long.
Oh my god, sorry. I'm such a perfectionist. Wait, can I fix this real quick? Let me just...
What does that mean? I am loving this look on you. You look bomb.
Look at these. I have like eight like chicken titties.
Wait, is this one the real one?
The real ones? There are no real ones. What you mean?
Let's see you do a pose. Let's see you do a pose.
Wait, oh my god, wait.
Do a pose. It's always with the hands. Always with the hands.
Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my god, we had so much fun today. Liza is so cute. You guys make sure to go check out C'est moi. Make sure to check out C'est moi. It's amazing. Guys, make sure to check out all the new Huda beauty collections. All the hoodies. Get your hoodies for beauties. 50% off. Something. And use my code. Okay, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Okay. Bye.